Hello dear viewers, myself Professor Rajeshri Mas Reddy with you. In continuation with our topic on tablet compression, in today's presentation, the problems associated during tablet compression and their remedial measures shall be discussed. By the end of the session, viewers will be able to know the problems associated with tablet manufacture, analyze the cause of problems, and suggest remedial measures to overcome the problems. The problems encountered during tablet compression lead to tablet defects such as capping, lamination, sticking, picking, binding, cracking, chipping, mottling, double impression, weight variation, hardness variation. These defects can be categorized due to tablet processing related to excipients used and the setting of the machines and faulty machine dies used in compression. To know each of them, capping is the horizontal separation of the upper and lower segment of tablet partially or completely from the main body of tablet as a cap as seen in the figure. It occurs during tablet ejection or subsequent handling. The causes of capping related to granulation are presence of large amount of fines in granules, low moisture content of granules, granules are improperly dried, less amount of binder and improper lubrication. So these can be overcome by addition of fines to the granules, moistening the granules by adding hygroscopic substances. Granules should be properly dried, increase in the quantity of binder and lubricant, if needed change in lubricant. Causes of capping related to machine are use of improper finish dies with deep concavity, settings of the lower punch which remains below during ejection, improper setting of the sweep of blade and high speed of turret. These problems can be resolved by polishing the dies properly, use of flat punches, proper setting of the lower and punch during the ejection, proper adjustment of the sweep of blade and reducing the speed of turret. Lamination is the separation of tablet into two or more distinct horizontal layers. It is caused due to air entrapment during compression and subsequent release on ejection, which worsens with high speed of turret. So the layers are separated in the lamination. This is due to incorporation of oily or waxy materials in granules or presence of high amount of hydrophobic lubricant, which can be resolved by incorporation of adsorbents or by change in the lubricant. Lamination caused due to the machinery are rapid relaxation of the peripheral region of the tablet during ejection from die wall cavity, which can be resolved by using tapered dies, wherein the upper part of the die bore has an outward taper at 3 to 5 degrees. Chipping is the breaking of tablet edges during ejection of tablet from the press or during handling and coating process. Causes of chipping related to granulation are sticking of material on punch faces and granules are dry. It can be overcome by drying the granules properly and by suitable moistening with the hygroscopic substances. Chipping related to machine are when the groove of the dies are damaged at compression point, when the die center is wider than the ends, when the upper punch faces inwards, and deep concavity of the die. It can be resolved by using open end punches or by replacing the dies. by polishing the dies to make them cylindrical and polishing the punch edges and reducing the concavity of the punch faces by using flat punches. Problem of cracking is associated with presence of small fine cracks observed on upper, lower or side wall, which may be caused due to rapid tablet expansion. Causes of cracking related to granulation are presence of large size granules which are dry and the process is carried out at lower temperature. It can be resolved by by reducing the size of granules by addition of fines, by suitably moistening the granules or by incorporation of higher amount of binder and process carried out at room temperature. The causes of cracking related to machine may be due to when the tablets expand on ejection due to air entrapment and deep concavity of the die during ejection, which can be resolved by using tapered dies and using suitable special takeoff blades. Problem of sticking refers to the tablet material adhering to the die wall, which may due to be excessive moisture in granulation or improper lubrication. So the sticking problems related to granulation are improper drying of granules, improper lubrication, incorporation of high amount of binder which leads to small soft and weak granules, presence of oily material in the granules. Remedial measures are granules are to be properly dried and well lubricated, optimize the amount of binder and inclusion of adsorbents in when oily material are incorporated. Causes of sticking related to machine are concavity of the dies, which leads to less pressure of compression, or when if the speed of compression is high. These problems can be resolved by reducing the concavity of the die, increasing the pressure of compression and carrying out the compression at reduced speed. So in sticking we see that the material sticks to the die walls. The defect of picking refers to removal of small amount of material from surface of tablet by sticking to punch faces. It usually occurs when punch tips have engraving or embossing letters or when there is inefficient drying of the granules. Causes of picking related to granulation are excessive moisture in granules, improper lubrication of granules, presence of low melting point substances which tend to soften during the compression, presence of high amount of binders, or when compression is carried out at a warm temperature. These problems can be overcome by suitably drying the granules and lubricating them by addition of polishing agents, addition of high melting point ingredients, by reducing the concentration of the binder and the processing carried out at room temperature. The causes of picking related to machine are when the punch faces are rough, scratched, they have embossings or engraving letters with large space in between, and when the pressure is insufficient for the compression. These problems of machine can be resolved by using polished surfaces of punches. The engravings should be designed which are large as possible, and by coating the punch surfaces with chromium, by increasing the speed of compression. So in figure we see that where the engravings were present, the material has been picked up by the upper punch. The problem of binding refers to the sticking of tablet in die, which causes seize or tear of tablet in die, causing hindrance in ejection of tablet. This is due to excessive amount of moisture in the granules, improper lubrication or use of own dyes. So here the material sticks in the dye cavity only. The causes of binding related to granulation are presence of high moisture in the granules, improper lubrication. Granules are coarse and abrasive in nature, and compression is carried out at warm temperature. The remedies for these problems are the granules are to be properly dried and well lubricated. The granule size has to be reduced by incorporation of fines and increased amount of lubrication. Reduce the temperature during the compression. Causes of binding related to machine are poorly finished dyes, rough dyes which are caused due to abrasion or corrosion, and less pressure during the compression. The problems can be resolved by using polished dyes, by changing the granulation, and by reducing the pressure of during the compression. The defect of mottling refers to the unequal distribution of color on tablets with light or dark spots, which may be due to uneven distribution of color and color difference of AIP and excipients. So in the figure we see the uneven distribution of the color on the surface of the tablet, which may be caused because due to the migration of the dye to the surface of the granules, or when there is a wide variation in the color of the active pharmaceutical ingredient and the excipients, or maybe when the dyes are not properly mixed. The problem of mottling can be overcome by using appropriate colors suitable compatible with the active pharmaceutical ingredient and the excipients, by using suitable solvent system which does not migrate to the surface during drying, and by ensuring proper mixing to prevent segregation of the ingredients. Double impression refers to the impression or imprint marking on tablet surface which involves punches with the monograms. So we see the monograms on tablets. So here the cause is because of the problems of the machine, that is free rotation of the either the lower or upper punch during the ejection of the tablet, which can be prevented by reducing the rotation of the lower punch during the ejection. Defects such as weight variation, which refers to the uniformity in weight of tablets within a batch, which may be due to improper flow of granules through hopper to dye cavity. So within a batch, the weight of the tablets will tend to vary. This can be overcome by properly adjusting the flow of the granules through the hopper. By during the pre-formulation of the before compression, study of the angle of repose can resolve these problems. Hardness variation refers to the variation of tablet hardness within a batch, which may be due to weight variation or improper setting of the hardness. So here when there is weight variation of the tablet, definitely since the machine is operating at a constant pressure, the hardness of the pressure exerted on the material will tend to vary, and hence it will have an impact on the hardness of the tablet. These are the references for the topic.